Okay, today we will see the modification command. Modification command: move command, copy command, rotate command, scale command, trim command. Okay, right now let's see. First of all, move. If we want to move an object or line or any other things in AutoCAD, okay, let's do. Okay, circle, rectangle, line, other things. Okay, we need to move this one. Okay, first of all, first we select the object. We need to select the object, then move. Here we have modify. In modify panel, move option. Okay, then select, then click the object, then we can move anywhere. Okay, this is the move command. Okay, see, select, move. Okay, this is select, enter. Okay, this is the move command. Okay, next one. So next one is the copy command. Okay, and also the move command, we can mv. This is the command, not mv, m. Okay, again select the object, type m, enter. Then you can go anywhere with that. Okay, and also we can specify the length also. Type 500. See, it's coming here. Again enter, 100. See, if we need. Okay, the next thing. Okay, the copy. Okay, right, the copy is how it's coming. Copy command, same the move. See, like this. Select the object, go to modify tab, copy. Okay, select copy, then select the object, then go. See, you can go anywhere. Same as it is. Copy command, the shortcut is C O, copy. Okay, then 1 2 3 4 4 5. This one also 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is copy command. The next, the rotate. Okay, we'll create a rectangle. Right now we can rotate, the rotate command. Okay, same things, the command is rotate. Select the object, go to modify tab, rotate, click the rotate, then you must point the base point. See, they specify the base point. From center it need to rotate by center. We can select the center of the object, then we can put copy or reference. Copy mean, if we what's happen if we select the copy mean we'll select the copy. Okay, copy, then we'll rotate 90. See, this is the copy. We will select again, rotate, select base point, then reference R. Okay, then what happen? This is 90 also. See, this is not a copy, this is rotate entire object. If we'll select the copy, this is make a copy and rotate that copy object only, not the original. Okay, then we can also rotate 45, copy, rotate, RO, rotate command shortcut, then 180, sorry, select base object 180, RO, select object 80. See, this is the rotate command. The next thing, scale. Okay, let's see. Scaling, same, the scale is here. This is the scale object, scale option, modify tab, scale, click, then click base point. If you click in the center, it will scale like this. See, from center. If you click this base point, it's coming from that point. See, okay, where you click, that is the base point. Select, scale, see, everything we need is base point. Okay, then you can modify. How you need 2, you need 1:2, which means 2. Okay, then select SC is the shortcut, enter, then select. So this is this object, we need to scale for the specific, but we can't make a number, we can't type the number as accurate, it's coming 1.999 like that, if not like that. So we need to scale for this scale, for this one. So we will select and SC, enter, click the base point. Okay, R, reference, R, enter, click again, from where to where, from here, this, from this object, from here to here, need to come, become until here. Okay, see, it's coming like this. See, this is the endpoint. This is one of the easiest method as per our requirement. Okay, this is as per our requirement. Okay, next, the trim command. Yes, it's very good. Trim command, this is the trim command. Okay, let's do trim. Select trim command. See, cutting edge, crossing mode, project, erase, how many. If you erase R, enter, then it will be delete. See, select, enter, it will be delete. Okay, right. The shortcut is TR, trim, select, what you object, P, project, P, non UCS, none. Okay, see, okay, then trim, the mode, O, quick, see, okay, this is the command of trim. See, what you want, you can delete. Right, next, this is the all 5 command for the modification command, just for the beginners only. Okay, right,